Children, let's try to find the HCF of, that is the highest common factor of these numbers, given numbers. For finding the highest common factor, at least two numbers should be there. Here see, I have written two numbers here, again two numbers here. Here I have written three numbers. For three numbers, we have to find the highest common factor. By which highest number we can divide that three numbers. Here what is the meaning? Which is the highest number by which we can divide both the numbers, two numbers. Okay, first number is also like that only, which find the highest number by which we can divide both the numbers together. Both the numbers should be divisible by that highest number. That is called the highest common factor. Okay, so let us try to find the highest common factor of these two numbers 18 and 48. For that we have to do the prime factorization of 18. 18 we can divide by 2. 9 2s are 18. Again 9 can be divided by 3. 3 3s are 9 1. So 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 18 can be written like this. Okay, 2 into 3 into 3. Next number is, what is the next number? 48. Let's write 48 and factorize. 48 can be divided by 2 because in one space 8 is there. So let us divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 8. 4 2s are 8. Again we can divide by 2. 2 1 2 is 2. Then here 2 2s are 4. Again let us divide by 2. 6 2s are 12. Again by 2 we got 3. Now the prime factors of 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now which are the common factors? Common factors. First you write the common factors. Let us see which are the factors, which are the numbers. Factors comes in both the numbers. See, here 2 is there in common, both the numbers, 1 time 2 is there. Then what about 3? Here 1 3 is there, here also 1 3. So we can write 3 is a common factor. Now any other common factor? No common factor. Here 3 is there, but here there is no other 3. Here there are 3 2's, but here there is no 2. Okay. So which are the common factors? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 only the common factors. Then tell me, two factors are there, 2 and 3 are there. Then what is the highest common factor? Highest means multiply both the common factors. Okay. Then we get the highest common factor, that is HCF, highest common factor. HCF is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. This is the highest common factor of 18 and 48. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Next we move to the next numbers. Let us see these two numbers 30 and 42. Now let us write the prime factors of 30. Let us write the prime factors of 30, that is, let us do the prime factorization 30. We can divide by 2 because in one place 0 is there. So let us divide by 2. 2, how many times in 3? 1 2 we can take, 1 will be balanced. 10, 10 how many 2's? 5 2's are 10. Again this 3 and 5 15, 5 1. So the prime factors of 30, 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Next let us do the prime factorization of 42. 42. We can divide by 2 because one place 2 is there. We can divide first by the first prime number 2. Okay. In 4 how many 2's? 2 2's are 4. In 2 how many 2? 1 time 2. So 21 we cannot divide by 2. Because one's place 1 is there, we cannot divide. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 21 is a multiple of 3. So we can divide it by 3. 3 7s are 21. 7 is a prime number. 7 1 time. Okay. So the prime factorization of 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. Now let us take the common factor. CF, common factor. Which are the common factors? 2 is there here 1 time, here also 1 time 2 is there. So what is common? 2 is common. 3 is there in both, so we can take 3 also 1 time. Then 5 is here, but 5 is not here, so we cannot take. 7 is here, but 7 is not there, so we cannot take. So which are the common factors? 2 and 3 are the common factors. Then what is the highest common factor? Highest common factor is equal to, you have to multiply that common factors 2 and 3. 2 into 3 we get 6. So 6 is the highest common factor HCF of these two numbers, that is 30 and 42. That means 30 and 42, both the numbers can be divided by 6. Okay, the highest number by which we can divide both 30 and 42 is 6. By 6 we can divide both 30 and 42. Here also by 6 we can divide both 18 and 48. Okay, then next let us move to the next question, that is find the HCF of highest common factor of these three numbers. That means which is the highest number by which we can divide these three numbers together. Okay, both these three numbers, how will by which number we can divide. Okay, so let us find the prime factors of 12. 12 prime factors are, what is the prime factors of 12? 12, let us divide by 2. 6 2s are 12, again by 2, 3, then 3, 1. So the factors are 2 into 2 into 3. Now about 45. 45 prime factors, we cannot divide by 2, so let us take 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, so we can divide 45 by 3. We can divide by 3. From 4 we can take 1, 3. 1, 3 is 3, balance is 1. 4 minus 3 we get 3, 1. So 15, how many 3s? 5 3s are 15. Again we can divide by 3. 5 3s are 15. 5, 1. So the prime factors of 45, 3 into 3 into 5. Now let us do the prime factors of 75. 75, 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. So we can divide it by 3. We cannot divide by 2 because 1 splits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are not there. So we can divide it by 3. From 7, how many 3s? 3 2s are 6. Then 7 minus 6, 1 we get. Then in 15, how many 3s? 5 3s are 15. 25, 2 plus, we cannot divide by 3. Then we can divide by 5. 25, 5, 1. So let us write the factors 3 into 5 into 5. Now in all the three numbers, which are the common factors? Okay, in all the numbers you have to see the number which is common. Let us see. Here 2 is there. Is there 2 in both the numbers? No. We cannot find any other 2 here. So 2 is not a common factor. Here again 2. No. Then here there is 3. 1 3 is here. Here also there is 1 3. Here also 1 3. What is the common factor? Common factor CF is equal to 3 only. Only 1 3 is common. So that is the HCF. So highest common factor HCF is equal to 3 itself. This is the highest common factor. So this is the question, by which is the highest number by which we can divide 12, 45 and 75 completely. That means what you have to find? You have to find the highest common factor or HCF. So which is the highest number by which this other numbers, what were the two numbers were given here? Here you see 18 and 48. Which is the highest number by which we can divide 18 and 48? Which is the highest number? 6. By 6 we can divide 18 and 48. 6 by 6 3s are 8. 6 3s are 18. Here 48. 6 into which number is 48? 6 8s are 48. Okay. Okay children. This is about the HCF. So about the next topic LCM, We'll see in the next class. I hope you understood. Okay, thank you children.